We'll start with jacks whenever you're ready. All right, big deep breath. Trying to get a nice full range of motion. Legs all the way out, all the way in. Feel your shoulder blades moving along your back. Let's go, 8, 7. Give me squats nice and low. Sink into those heels. Press your hips forward. We're going to add the knee with a little twist. Down, twist and pull. 4 more. Back to jacks. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, lunges. Nice and deep. Keeping your chest lifted. Belly button pulled tight. Let's go 4 more. We're going to switch to side lunges. Right here. Side, pull it up. Side, pull it up. Nice flat back here. Think of reaching your chest straight forward. Now stay low, side to side. Pull that core a little tighter. 8, 7. Arms out, press your palms. Whew. Big deep breath. Nice wide fingers here, shoulders pulling down, away from your ears. Switch directions, make it a little bigger. I like to bend my knees here so I really have control over my torso. To your plank in 3, 2, 1, all the way down. All right, nice long knees. Head shooting straight forward, heels pushing behind you. We go to climbers, right and down, left and down. Now you can hold this timing or you can double it up. Here we go. Eight, 7, 3, 2, we're gonna walk it out all the way back, up in circle, back to your plank. Come into your squat, press your hips forward, nice wide chest. All right, stay up, let's go to some lunges. We go lunge, nice wide squat, push your knees to the side. Other side, and squat. All right, let's double time it. Down and down. Eight, 7. Hands out, fingers down. Big deep breath here, fill up those lungs. Other way, open it up. Soft knees here, tight core. 8, 7. To your plank, and 3, 2, 1, go. All right, perfect plank. Get those hips down. See if you can make your spine a little bit longer. We're gonna tap side to side. In 3, 2, here we go. Right and left. Keep that belly pulled up, hips pushing down. Now you can stay here or go to jacks. 8, 7. Whoo, bring it up. Big inhale. Exhale, reach to the side. Inhale, lift. Exhale, reach. Flat back, straight forward. And drop it down. Bend your knees. And stretch. Bend. And stretch. Let's turn to a right side lunge. Push those hips nice and low. Right arm up for a nice big twist. And press it back. Flex your right toes. Try to relax that thigh. Back to your lunge. Arms up. Drop your back knee. Open your chest. Arch it to the front. Big inhale. And exhale. 2 more. Roll it up. And we go. Exhale side. Big inhale. Flat back straight forward. And drop it down. Bend your knees. And stretch it up. Turn to your left side lunge. Nice and low. Let those hips open up. Left arm up to the ceiling, nice big twist. And push it back. Releasing into those legs. We lunge, arms up. Drop your right knee. Open your chest. 4, 3, 2, face the front. And whatever you need here, guys. Final few seconds to stretch and shake it out. When you're ready, roll it all the way up. Whew. And grab some water. We have round 1. It's going to be a repeater cardio today. We're going to start with 30 seconds of burpees and then 45 seconds of a strength move. When we get to strength, you're going to grab one weight in your right hand. We're going to lunge backward and you're going to curl and then stand up. You can do a balanced version and bring your knee in. Or if you want to make it really hard, you can do 2 weights. But we are going to do right side and then left side. So totally up to you, okay? We got 4 rounds of burpees there. I'll talk you through it as we go, okay? So no worries. Remember, any trouble getting down to the floor or any pain in your shoulders or your back, put your hands up on something to do your burpee. You can always go out, in, and then just reach up, out, in, and reach up. That'll be your modification, all right? Here we go. Whew. Timer's on. 30 seconds of burpees. Out, in, up, down. Your modification is to step. Remember, I showed you the version with your hands up. Keep going. We're going to our lunges. All right, one weight in your right arm, right leg's going back. It's just a lunge and a curl. Step back as you bring that weight up to your chest. Remember, you can add a second weight if you want a little bit more of a challenge. Almost there, guys. Whew. Back to burpees. Here we go. Remember, whatever version you got. Hi, Fred. Keep breathing. Whew. Remember, we're going to the left side, lunge and curl. All right, here we go. Remember, you can tap it in, or you can go for that balance. Just make sure you're stepping all the way back, getting that left knee nice and low to the ground. Take your time here. I want you to do it right. Ten seconds, you got it. Back to burpees. Whew. Here we go. Remember, you pick your version and you just keep moving. You can always slow down or modify. Do your best not to stop. Ten seconds. Whew. We're gonna do some tricep kickbacks next. Here we go. 2 weights, elbows up. Nice flat back. You're just gonna kick those arms all the way up. Try to keep your elbows in the same spot. So when you come down, don't let your elbows drop down. Keep them lifted up. See if you can pull that core a little bit tighter. Heels are actively pushing down, toes are relaxed. Whew. Back to our burpees. Here we go. Final round here, guys. Stay with me. This is it. Last one. Ten seconds. You got it. You got it. Whew. Tricep extensions. 1 or 2 weights overhead, elbows to the ceiling. Weight goes all the way back, all the way up. Belly button pulled back to your spine. Glutes are active here. Don't let them stick out. Whew. All right, 10 seconds, guys. You got it. All right, shake it out. Beautiful. We have a full minute of recovery while I go over the next round. For you, your modifications first. This is your break. Grab some water. Modifications for cardio. 1 squat, 2 knees. 1 squat, 2 knees. Advanced version. Jump forward, 4 knees back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Super advanced version. Take it into a burpee before you do your knees. That's right, we have another 30 seconds until we start. I'll do all those actions again, don't worry. Our first strength move is gonna be a side lunge. We'll step to the side, row, pull both elbows up, and then stand up. side, and row, both arms up, all right? Shake it out, do what you need to. Whew. We start with either squat and 2 knees, long jump and 4 knees, or adding in that burpee. All right, in 10 seconds. Whew. Get ready. Here we go. Super advanced. Burpee, 4 knees. Jump, burpee, 4 knees. Just advanced. Jump, 4 knees. Modified. Squat, knee, knee. Squat, knee, knee. I love it, guys. I see you working. Keep it up. Side lunges coming up. Woo. Here we go. Just to the right side. Lunge, row, bring it up. Lunge, row. Again, you can tap this leg in or you can go for the balance. Either one's fine. Keep that back nice and flat on the way over. Make sure you're really squeezing those shoulder blades together when you pull. Right here, pull and squeeze. Back to our long jumps. Whew. Here we go. Remember your modifications. Do what you can. You're already halfway. Whew. Left side. Here we go. Lunge and row. And we can tap it in, or you can pull your knee up. Wherever you're at, core is tight, chest is wide. Focusing on pulling shoulder blades together. Whew. All right, going back to those long jumps. Whew. Here we go, round 3. When you pick up your knee, try to alternate which knee you start with. So I just did right, now I'll do left, just to make yourself even. Deadlift coming up. Get ready. All right. Whew. Flat back over, weights to your knees. We're going to stand up and then pull your weights to your chest. Halfway down, pull it up. Make sure your back stays flat the whole time. Pressing those heels into the ground. Squeezing your glutes forward. Keep going. I'm just going to lower my weight. You can lower whenever you need to. Just try to keep going. Ten seconds. We have one more round of these long jumps. Whew. All right, guys, whatever you got left, go. Give me 10 seconds. Come on, come on. Whew. Back flies to end. Flat back over. Elbows are bent. We're pulling to the side. Right here. You can always alternate. That's where I'm at right now. So as long as you find a way to keep going, pull that core tighter, bend your knees a little bit more. 15 seconds. You got this. 3, 2, and 1. Shake it out. All right, give me a nice big stretch here for that back. We'll just take a little rock side to side in your legs. This is your break, right, guys? Grab water. Do what you need to. Next round cardio is going to be swings. Feet are together. One weight on the other side. You're going to swing straight forward. Back stays flat. You're just pushing heels down and glutes forward. Modification. If you want to make it harder, you still have 30 seconds. You're going to come down, out, in, and swing. If you want to jump it, out, in, and swing. All right, so this is a whole round of swings. First move will be right leg out to a squat. So we'll keep arms here, right leg out to a squat. You're going to come in and press all the way up, squat out. And again, you can tap this leg, or you can pull it up for balance. Either one is beautiful. Whew. We go in 10 seconds. Swing or burpee and swing. Here we go. Whew. If you're stepping, make sure you alternate legs. Squats coming up. All right. Right leg out and in. Out and in. Remember, you can step or bring your knee up for the balance. I'm holding one weight, but you can do 2. Ah. 10 seconds here, guys. Stay low, all the way up. We're going back to swings. Whew. Here we go. Remember, your option is to just stay right here without going to the floor. 15 seconds. Whew. Left leg squat. Pull your core a little tighter. Try to reach elbows to your knees when you come down, right here, elbows to knees. Whew. Almost there, almost there. Keep going. Whew. Right back to those swings. You've got this. Round 3. Here we go. Whatever you can do to keep that body moving, guys. Deep breath, tight core. 15 seconds, let's go. Whew. T-raise to the side. Palms forward, we open. That's it. You can come to your knees if you want to. Oh, my back's hurting, so I'm going to. Nice wide arms here. Making sure you have a long neck, tight core. And remember, you can always alternate arms here if you need to. Ten seconds. We have one more round of swings. We got this, guys. All right, let's go. Come on, come on, 15, keep moving. Whew. All right, final move is still a raise, but palms are gonna be down and arms slightly in front of you. Just like this. You can always alternate. Try to keep your shoulders even if you alternate. Ten seconds. Whew. All right, guys, that's your break. Whew. Take a breath, grab some water. You're doing great. Guys, sweat getting in my eyes. All right, next round. Option one, plank jacks. You can have your hands on the floor or up on a table or a chair. Option one is to tap side to side. Option two will be to jump. Option three, hands on the floor. If you want to advance it, we'll do a plank jack, stand up, and do a jumping jack. It looks like this. Plank jack, pull it in, jumping jack out, and then back to the floor. So a little variation. This round's going to be all chest. So we'll start with push-ups. You'll come all the way down. Just the right arm is going to step out and come into your shoulder. Out and push-up, up to your shoulder. So a little balance with that right arm afterwards, okay? So option one, tapping side to side in your plank. You can jump it or plank jack, stand up into a jumping jack. I know I threw a lot at you. I'll talk you through it, don't worry. Here it is, here it is, here we go. Whew. All right, plank jack, bring it up, jumping jack. Plank jack and jumping jack. You can always stay down and tap side to side or jump and stay right here. 10 seconds here. Whew. Push-ups, right arm. Out, tap your shoulder. Whew. Try to keep your hips low here. Just get in a few more. We're back to those plank jack, jumping jacks. Whew. All right, here we go. Keep moving, guys. Remember your modifications. You can always switch it up or slow down if you need to. Whew. Left arm push-ups. Down, tap your shoulder. Whew. Oh my God, we have 20 seconds. You got this. Do your best. Get it as many as you can. Woo. All right, plank jacks, we got this. 10 seconds. We got a chest fly coming up. All right, on your back, I'm just going to open and close. Whew. Really pull your belly button down to the floor, send those weights away from you. This is another great spot to alternate if you need to. Big deep breath, inhale, open, exhale, close. Almost there. We have one more round of our plank jacks, guys. Woo, all right, let's go. Oof. Whatever you got left in you. We end with an alternating chest press. Right arm, left leg, and pull it up. Left arm, right leg. So a little core work in here too. Try to keep your neck relaxed. Your whole spine should be against your mat. Whew. Almost there, almost there. All right, guys, shake it out, shake it out. You're doing great. We're coming up on the end. Kind of. Next round. Lunges and squats for cardio. This is your break. Make sure you're getting water and shaking out what you need to. Our modification. Squat, lunge, squat, and lunge. Alternating legs back and forth. If you want to do the advanced version, we're going to put in a burpee. We'll go into your squat and lunge. Burpee, and then other side, lunge. So modified, just stepping back into your lunge. Advanced, adding in that burpee. Whew. This is going to be a leg round. So we're going to do curtsy lunges. We'll start right leg on the opposite side of your left leg. You're just going to step back, lunge, and then pull it in there. So just that side. You can add whatever weights you want to it. 1 weight, 2 weights, no weights. User's choice. Whew. All right, here we go. Lunges and squats. Out in, lunge and squat. Out in, lunge and squat. Remember modification. Just squat and lunge. Squat and lunge. All right. Curtsy, right leg back. We're going to lunge, pull it in. Lunge, pull it in. So my right foot stays on the opposite side, but I'm pulling my right hip forward. So my hips and my shoulders stay square. Almost there. Back to our squats and lunges. Whew. Almost there. All right, left leg curtsies. Getting as low as you can, trying to keep your chest straight up and down, pushing that right heel down to come up. Whew. Whew. Let's go, let's go. Whatever you need to do to keep that body in motion. You got calf raises coming up. Whew. Whatever race you want. Lift your chest, feet are right under you. Just lift and lower. "15 seconds, as many as you can." Whew. Feel the burn. We got one more round of these lunges and squats, guys. All right, whatever you got left here. All right, we're gonna turn toes out so your feet are in a V. We're gonna do our calf raises right here. Just a little turned out in those legs, trying to squeeze your glutes so you're pushing your hips forward, lifting your chest up. Try to lift onto your big toe and your second toe. The rest are just there for support. Those two first toes are taking the main weight right here. Oh my God. And you may feel it in your hamstrings too, because that's where I feel it right now. Whew. All right, relax, guys. We have one more round. One more to get through, and then we'll do some bridges to end, okay? I'm gonna do a twisting burpee this time. I don't know why I did this fast. We'll go out, in, and then flip to the other side. Out, in, and flip. Same as the first round. If you don't want to jump, hands up on something, out, in, reach up to the ceiling. Out, in, reach up to the ceiling. This is all going to be an ab round. So after we do our first set of burpees, we'll do just one knee climbers. So we'll come down, we'll go in, out, and you can't see that. Lift behind you. In, out, and lift. We'll do right side and then left side for the second round, okay? Big deep breath. One more high intensity round for me, guys. We got this. Woo. Remember, you can step or jump. Hands can be up on something if you need extra support. Here we go. All right, just the right leg. In, out, lift. In, out, lift. Keep going. Any pressure on your shoulders, come up. In, out, lift. Almost there. Whew. Try to keep getting that knee all the way up to those elbows. Here we go. Whew. Left knee. In, out, up. In, out, up. Almost there, almost there. All right, full range of motion, guys. Keep it up. Round 3 of these burpees. Whew. Let's go. Ten seconds. Oh my God. Whew. Climbers coming up, one leg at a time. Here we go. Hands can still be up on something. Speed is up to you. Deep breath, deep breath. We're almost there. So close. 10 seconds. We got our very last round of burpees, guys. Final 30 seconds. Try to make them your best ones of the day. Let's go. That's final 10. Come on, don't stop, don't stop. Whew. All right, into your plank. We shift back, right knee in. Shift back, left knee in. Pike and climber. Pike and climber. And push all the way back, guys. Rest your poor head on the floor, relax your shoulders. Big deep breath. Great work, everyone. Good hustle today. We're going to end with a few bridges. Just for fun. So whenever you're ready, let me stop this. Turn around. On your back, we're going to start with both legs, and then we'll do one leg at a time, okay? Whew. Pressing your palms down into the floor. Try to relax your neck, pull your shoulders down away from your ears. Heels are as close as you can get them up to your hips. Relax your toes. Press those heels down, tight belly button. Let's go lift and lower. Lift and lower. Now hold it up. Roll on halfway down. Here we go. 8, 7, 6. Hold it up. We're going to lift your right leg up into the air. All the way down. We go lower and lift. Lower and lift. 2 more slow. So keep pressing those palms down. Now we speed it up just halfway. Down and lift. Down and lift. 3, 2, hold it up. 8, 7, 6. Right leg down, left leg up. All the way down, nice and slow. Here we go. Lower and lift. Tailbone taps the floor. Push right back up. All right, just halfway, double time for 8. 3, 2, hold it up. 3, 2, 1, left leg down, stay high. And give me a little pulse for 8, 7. Good, tap all the way down. Lift right leg up and down. Tap, lift, left leg. So we're just going to alternate. Down, up, and lift. Down, up, and lift. Don't lose that core control. Belly button still pulled all the way to your spine. Give me 4 more. All right, stay up, pulse it. 8, 7, 6. Push a little higher and hold. 3, 2, 1, lower down, knees to your chest. Great work, everyone. We're gonna stretch it out now. Give me just a little rock back and forth. Send your left leg all the way out, pull your right knee into your chest. We're gonna start with just a nice big twist. Pull your right leg over to your left side, reach your right arm all the way out. Trying to relax your lower back and your right hip. Come back to the center. Let's take a figure 4. Right ankle on your left knee. You can grab your thigh or all the way up to your shin and just take a little rock back and forth. Gently release, take that right leg to the ceiling. Inhale, point. Exhale, flex. Point and flex. Now you can keep your left leg bent to get a little deeper though. You're gonna straighten it out. 4 more. Trying to relax that right side, really crease into your hip. And come all the way up. We're gonna tuck your right toes behind you. On your palms, you can either bend your elbows, you can come down to your elbows, or you can just relax all the way down on the floor. And gently come out of it. Oof, we're gonna bring that left knee in. Right leg is long. And we start with our twist. Pull your leg to the right, left arm, release your lower back. And back to center, figure 4. Remember, you can grab your thigh or grab that knee. Breathing should be about back to normal by now. If it's not, just take a few really big breaths in. Lower your right leg down, left heel up to the ceiling. Inhale, point. And exhale, flex. Remember, if you want to get deeper, straighten that right leg. And come all the way up, tuck that left foot back. On your hands, bend your knees. Come to your elbows or all the way down. Whew. And gently bring yourself all the way up to a seated position. Let's get a little upper body. Pull right arm straight across. And elbow to the ceiling, nice big tricep stretch. Left hand to your head, gently pull. Drop that left elbow down. Tilt your chin up and down. Right arm all the way over, nice big side stretch. Come all the way up, hands behind your back, lift your chest. And other side, pull across. Elbow up. Right hand to your head. Dropping that right shoulder. And tilt up. Tilt it down. Left arm over. All the way up, clasp those hands. Big inhale, lift. Exhale, push. Big inhale. And exhale. Last one, big deep breath in. And open. Great work today, guys.